Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making some slime. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So yeah, so you need glue. I already poured mine in. Borax. Something to mix with. So yeah, now you just want to pour in your borax into your glue. You only want a little bit, or in case of me, a lot. So yeah, I'm mixing my borax in a little bit more because I didn't do it that well. So yeah. Now you just want, well, this is a testing one, so yeah. Now you just want to transfer it into your hand. It looks like it's working. See, but it's like super sticky. I forgot my lotion. I think this one's like way too sticky for it to turn into slime. See? Well, I know it's gonna turn into slime, but I gotta stop. Nah, I'm not gonna stop right now. But like, when it's like 2 minutes, it's already almost 2 minutes. Okay, so it finally turned into slime, and it's so cool. See? It's kind of still sticky, but I know if it turns into slime for me, it's probably going to turn into slime for you. I'm never going to do a shampoo slime because it never works for me. So, yeah. So this slime is done for the day. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of slime is your favorite. Okay, so bye.